this week, okay, this week in our section the 7, okay, the unit 7, we are now learning about the internal analysis. Internal analysis. So, last week we learned about the know our enemy. That is this. Okay, that is this. We get to know our enemy. Okay, and that another word of that kinds of the external analysis is industry analysis. So we get to know what is going on in our inside of the industry, within the industry. Okay, and we get to know what is changing over the environment, business environment. We get to know that. That's a nice start. And this week we are learning about this. Know yourself. Exactly. We are now learning about how we get to know ourselves. Okay? And last class, I introduced my personal framework, how to conduct the internal analysis. And before that, I notify that why we need to know ourselves well. And this shows that in business pitch, to persuade somebody, to persuade our client, to persuade our customers, to persuade our stakeholders, we must present this kind of information. Name, contact, opportunity, problem. Okay, this comes from the external analysis. What kinds of opportunity we have, what kinds of external threat we have. Okay, then we can build a few number of the solutions and the competitive advantage that is related to internal analysis and target market, I know, and the forecast, whatever. Okay, then we must be able to persuade our client or stakeholders or customers throughout what we are, who we are, why we can make a success, why we are good at analyzing and unleashing the competitive advantage, why our solution it can be achievable. Why? That is exactly knowing ourselves. That's related with this. Okay? So, when we do this, when we know our competitors and when we know our enemy and when we know ourselves, what will happen? What we expect? What we expect? We expect that we can win or that we do not lose. If we know our enemy, if we know ourselves, we can win? No. What we can? Okay, exactly. Okay, we may not lose the war. In order not to lose a war, we should know our external environment outside of myself, and that we must know ourselves. We must know who we are. Then we do not lose the war. That's a nice start. That's a start. However, yeah, we are going to that direction. In order to win without fighting, okay, we need exercise. We need to build and we need to exercise strategy.